Today we're going to talk about the 5 key factors that impact your credit score and how to optimize them. Understanding your credit score. Key factors and strategies to improve your score. Payment history. Your payment history is crucial for your credit score, as timely payments demonstrate reliability to lenders. Late payments can severely damage your score, making it essential to pay bills on time. Understanding credit utilization. 30% usage is the maximized credit utilization below 30% for benefits. 20% usage. Aim for 20% to further improve your score. 10% usage. Achieving 10% utilization boosts your credit rating. Optimal usage. Maintain utilization under 10% for best results. Types of credit. Understanding different credit types is crucial for your credit score. Revolving credit, like credit cards and installment loans, such as mortgages, each influence your score differently and should be managed wisely. New credit inquiries. Understanding how hard inquiries affect your credit score negatively. Key factors affecting credit score. Payment history. Make payments on time to improve your score. Credit utilization. Keep balances low relative to your limit. Length of credit history. Maintain older accounts for a better score. Types of credit. Diverse credit accounts can positively impact scores. New credit inquiries. Limit inquiries